As we've seen from countless crash videos on social media, dash cams are among the best ways to capture evidence of an accident, for insurance and/or law enforcement, or just for a good story at the bar on Saturday night. In this video, we'll review the top 3 best 4K dual dash cam, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different dash cams. By the end, you'll know exactly which best 4K dual dash cam is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. Miofive S1 Ultra Dash Cam. The Miofive S1 Ultra Dash Cam delivers outstanding video quality and reliability, making it a premium choice for both everyday drivers and road trip enthusiasts. Featuring dual 4K recording, it captures crisp, clear footage from both the front and rear with wide viewing angles of 140 degrees and 112 degrees, respectively. Thanks to HDR and enhanced night vision, this dash cam performs well even in low-light conditions, offering full day and night coverage. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity let users track routes, speed, and location, and easily view or share footage using the Miofive app on Android or iOS devices. Safety and storage efficiency are top priorities with features like loop recording and a G-sensor that locks critical footage during collisions. The optional 24-hour parking monitoring, wiring kit sold separately, uses time-lapse recording to protect your vehicle while saving memory space. Built with an upgraded supercapacitor, the Miofive S1 ensures long-term durability and performance in extreme temperatures. Backed by an 18-month warranty and lifetime tech support, this dash cam offers peace of mind with every purchase. Whether you're looking to document your commute, protect against accidents, or just enjoy scenic drives, the Miofive S1 Ultra is a smart, high-performance investment. Number 2. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is a premium dual-channel recording solution, capturing stunning 4K front and 1080p rear footage at 30 frames per second. With ultra-wide 150 degrees and 140 degrees lenses, it provides broad, clear coverage of the road ahead and behind. Powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, the front camera delivers crisp, vibrant images, even in low light, thanks to an f1.5 aperture, while the rear camera's f1.8 aperture ensures excellent night vision clarity. Its ultra-fast 5 GHz per 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi enables seamless video transfers at up to 20 megabytes per second and full control via the ROVE app for Android and iOS. The built-in GPS tracks speed, location, and route, with real-time data shown on the 3-inch IPS screen and ROVE's GPS player for PC or Mac. Advanced features include loop recording, G-sensor protection, voice alerts, supercapacitor, and support for up to 1 TB microSD cards, plus a free 128 GB card included. Its custom 24/7 parking mode, hardwire kit required, provides security with motion detection, collision alerts, and time-lapse options. Ideal for daily drivers, rideshare pros, or road trip lovers, the R2 4K Dual Dash Cam offers unmatched performance, reliability, and smart functionality for total driving peace of mind. Number 3. Garmin X310 Dash Cam. The Garmin X310 Dash Cam delivers premium performance with easy usability, capturing crisp 4K Ultra HD video through a 140 degrees wide field of view, ensuring essential details are recorded even in low light. Its built-in Garmin Clarity Polarizer lens minimizes windshield glare, enhancing video clarity. The 2.4-inch LCD touchscreen offers intuitive controls for reviewing footage and adjusting settings on the spot. Thanks to automatic incident detection, important clips are saved instantly, while the Online Vault, via Garmin Drive app, allows you to view and share stored videos effortlessly, especially useful when subscribed to Vault's advanced features. Voice commands support hands-free operation to save clips or control recording. When parked, Parking Guard can notify you of incidents, with subscription, Wi-Fi, and constant power. Remote access allows live view from your smartphone, offering peace of mind while away from your vehicle. GPS tagging adds date, time, and location to recordings, enhancing accountability. Compact and discreet, The X310 includes driver alerts like forward collision and lane departure warnings for added safety. You can even sync views from up to 4 dash cams via the app for comprehensive surveillance. The Garmin X310 is an excellent blend of smart features, reliability, and cutting-edge dash cam tech. Thanks for watching the video.